Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the concept of the parabola, and in that class we proved the standard equation of the parabola, and means the standard equation of the parabola of the form 4y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, and in previous class we discussed about the right hand parabola, that is, and the general equation of the parabola, this is y square is equal to 4ax. And okay, and in that point, in that parabola we take a point xy and we take a constant fixed point as the focus of the parabola, which is a0, and the given fixed line, which is z, and z dash be the directrix of the parabola, and this is the vertex of the parabola, and we draw the perpendicular from the points on the parabola to the directrix of the parabola. Now, and we join PS. And now, and we discuss about the definition concept of the parabola, means a parabola is the locus of a point in a plane which moves in a plane in such a way which distance from a given fixed point is always equal to the distance from a given fixed line. Okay, this is the concept of parabola, and this fixed point is known as the focus of the parabola, and this fixed line zz is known as the directrix of the parabola. Okay, and we obtained the general equation of the parabola as y square is equal to 4a. This is one of the most important equation of the parabola. Now today, dear student, today we are going to discuss some other important important terms related to parabola. Let's see. Now, look. Now we discuss about the various results related to okay, various results related to the parabola. This is one of the most important topic of your section, your chapter. Dear students, in previous class we discussed the focus of the parabola. We discussed of the what? Focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Okay, and in the is at what? The focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is at a0. The coordinate of the focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4x is at what? At a0, and the directrix is and the directrix is x is equal to minus a, that is x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, so in right hand parabola y square is equal to 4ax. In previous class we discussed the focus of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is at a0, and the directrix of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is x is equal to minus a, that is x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, the axis of a line parallel to the the axis is the line passing through the focus and the perpendicular to the directrix. Now, dear friends, we discuss about the latus rectum length. What is the concept of the latus rectum? Let's see, which is very important for a related topic of the parabola. Now we discuss about the latus rectum. Let's see. Latus rectum. Dear friends, the latus rectum of the parabola, the latus rectum of the parabola is a chord passing through the passing through the focus. Okay, passing through the focus, and passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. Now we define the parabola by the help of the diagram. Let's see. First of all, we draw a right hand parabola, and this is the equation of that parabola is y square is equal to 4x, which we already proved in previous class. Now here let us take P be any point on the parabola, and this is the vertex of the parabola. This is y dash, this is x, and here x dash. Okay, and here suppose that this is the focus of the, and the distance of the vertex from the focus is same as the distance. This is the directrix of the parabola z dash, and we draw PM perpendicular to z dash. And okay, now and we join, and you know that the coordinate of the focus of the parabola is a0. Okay, and the equation of the directrix is what? X is equal to minus a. This topic is already discussed in previous class. Okay, now let's see. Now here we discuss about that what is the latus rectum. Here the latus rectum of the parabola is a chord passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. Means if we draw, let's take L dash. Dear students, here L dash is the length of latus rectum. Because of just I discussed about that topic, the latus rectum of the parabola is the line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. Here the axis of the parabola is that the line passing through the vertex of the parabola. This is your, dear student, this is the vertex of the parabola, na? Vertex, and this is your focus, and the length L dash is the what? Let's see. Here the length L dash is known as the what? Length of latus rectum. Okay, here this friend, from the figure, the length of L dash is known as the length of latus rectum because of it is a chord of the parabola which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to its axis. So it is said to be a length of the latus rectum. Now, dear students, here L dash is the latus rectum of the parabola. Let's see in this way. Now let's see. Dear student, here from the figure, LSL dash is the latus rectum of the parabola, is the latus rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Okay, here the L dash be the latus rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4x, and by the symmetry of the curve, dear student, let's take by the symmetry of the curve let LS is equal to SL dash. Okay, SL is equal to SL dash, take is equal to lambda. We say that the lambda. Okay, now let's see. Dear students, here SL is equal to SL dash, let us take as lambda. Then dear students, then the coordinate of L, then the coordinate of L is what? The coordinate of L, this is A, and this is lambda, so the coordinate of this is A into lambda. Then the coordinate of L, that is A lambda, lies on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, lies on the parabola. Okay, dear students, now let's see here the coordinate of L. The coordinate of L, that is a lambda, lies on the parabola. Thus, dear students, lies on the then it must be satisfy. It must be satisfy. Then it must be satisfy the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4x. Now let's see. Then that is, we put x is equal to a and y is equal to y. Then we get what? Y, lambda square is equal to what? 4 into a into x is what? A. Thus we get as lambda is equal to 4, lambda square is equal to 4a square. So in this way we get the value lambda is under root 4a square. So we get 2 into a. So the lambda is what? 2 into a. Thus from figure, the length of the lattice rectangle LL dash is equal to what? 2 into lambda. So we get 2 into lambda is what? 2a, that is 4a. So in this way the length of lattice rectangle is 4 into a. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way we find the length of the lattice rectangle, which is equal to 4 into a. Okay. So this is the concept of the lattice rectangle of the parabola, which is very important topic for that chapter. Just I once more time which I discuss about that. This is the right hand parabola, and here just I discuss about that a chord which is passing through the focus of the parabola and perpendicular to its axis, that is called the lattice rectum of the parabola. And now here, first of all, we form a right hand parabola, and we take here, we draw the chord which is passing through the focus and perpendicular to its axis. So the length x and the L dash is the lattice rectum of the parabola. Now let us take by the concept of the symmetry, by symmetry of the curve SL is equal to SL dash, we take as lambda. Then the coordinate of L becomes a into lambda, because of this distance is a and this is lambda. So the coordinate of the L is a into lambda, a lambda. Dear student, since from the figure it is clear that the point L, the coordinate of L, that is a lambda, is lies on the parabola, so it must be satisfy the equation of the parabola. So we put x is equal to a and y is equal to lambda in the equation of the parabola. In this way we get the value of lambda as 2a. Now what is the length of the lattice rectum, dear students? Here the total length of the lattice rectum LL dash is equal to what? 2 into lambda, that is 2 into the value of lambda is 2a, so we must multiply them, we get 2 to the 4a. In this way the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is equal to what? 4a. So this is the very important concept of the parabola. Now dear student, we discuss about the focal distance of any points. Let's see. Now dear students, we discuss about the focal distance of any points. Focal, okay, focal distance of any point, Let's see. Dear students, the distance p xy from the focus is called the focal distance. Dear student, in any parabola, let's see, this is the right hand parabola, this is the vertex a, this is the focus, the coordinate of focus is a0, and the length p xy with the point on the parabola. This length ps sp. Dear student, the length, this is known as the focal length. Dear student, the distance of p, the distance of p x y from the focus S, from the focus S is called the focal distance, is called the focal distance. Okay, focal distance of the point P, of the point P, which is very important concept. Now dear student, we clearly find the focal distance as what? Then the value SP is known as what? Under root x minus a whole square, okay, plus y minus 0 whole square. So we get what? The focal SP is equal to what? Under root what? X minus a whole square plus y square. Now let's, since we know that the equation of the parabola y square is equal to, means the point P lies xy on the parabola, so it must be satisfy the equation y square is equal to 4ax. So here we put y square is equal to 4ax. So we get what? We get as SP is equal to under root x minus a whole square plus we put y square is equal to 4ax. Now we simplify them, we get what? Let's see, a square plus b square minus 2ax, and here what we have plus 4ax. Now we get what? We get as x square plus a square plus 2ax plus 2x. Now let's see, we get as SP is equal to under root x plus a whole square. We get x plus a whole square. Now we get we have x plus a, or we can write mod of, this is the distance, so it is taken as positive. So the focal length of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is given by the relation x plus a out of x plus a. Okay, so this is very important concept, dear students. So just I discuss about that, the length of the distance between the point P on the parabola, which is lies on the parabola, to the focus of the parabola, is known as the focal length of the point P, of the parabola of the point P. Now, and in this way we can find the length of its focal length SP is equal to mod of x plus a. Now dear student, in this way, now focal chord, what is the focal chord? Dear student, just I clear about that. A chord of the parabola is focal chord if it passes through the focus. If any chord passes through the focus, that in this way, any chord which is passes through the focus is known as the focal chord, which is very important, which is a very easy concept. Now dear student, in this way we discuss all the important point terms related to parabola. Okay, we discuss about the focal length, we discuss about the focal chord, we discuss about the length of latus rectum and its formula. The length of the latus rectum is what? 4a. Okay, so we discuss all the important terms related to parabola. Now dear student, we are going to discuss about some other standard forms of the parabola. Let's see. Dear friends, we discuss about the some other standard forms, some other standard form of the parabola, Let's see. Now we are going to discuss some other standard forms of the parabola. Now, dear friends, preceding in the section, we find that there are the three other standard form of the parabola. This is right hand parabola, left hand parabola, upward and downwards. Okay, let's see. The now we discuss about all types of the parabola. Let's see, dear student, from the figure. Let's see. First, we already discussed about the parabola type. First, y is equal to 4ax. In that type of parabola, your diagram is formed in this way. This is the right hand, this is the vertex A, this is the focus, This is the focus. The coordinate of focus is a0. This is the point on the parabola xy. This is the direct equation of it, line directrix of the parabola, and that is the perpendicular of the parabola. And this is the concept of the right hand parabola, and the distance of the and the equation of its directrix is minus a, x is equal to minus a, and the coordinate of its focus is what, a0. So in that type of parabola, the coordinates of vertex in that type of parabola, there is no coordinates of vertex. Coordinates of vertex is what, 0 0. Okay. Second important, coordinate of focus. Coordinate of focus, what? Coordinates of focus is what, a0. Okay. Second important, the equation of directrix in that type of parabola. Equation of directrix is what, x is equal to minus a or x plus a is equal to 0. Second one is length of latus rectum, equation of axis and equation of axis. First, equation of axis. This parabola form on x axis, the equation of axis is y is equal to 0. Okay. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is what, 4 into a. The length of latus rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 4. This is the type first. This is the type first parabola. Okay, type first. And the length of the latus rectum of the first type of parabola y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 into a. And last one is the focal distance. Focal distance equal to mod of x plus a. So all the important features, properties of the right hand parabola, that is y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. Now this one we discuss about the second type of parabola. Let's see. This is left hand parabola. This is the right hand parabola. Okay. Now second one is, let's see, type 2. Dear friend, this is also the type 2 of parabola y square is equal to minus 4x. This is the left hand parabola. This is the also known as the left hand parabola. Let's see. Dear student, the diagram of the left hand parabola as y square is equal to 4x form in this way. Let's see. Okay, x dash, they in this way, form in this way. Okay, this is the left hand parabola as y square is equal to minus 4x. Then, dear student, this is the vertex of the parabola, and vertex of the coordinate of the vertex of the that type of parabola is always equal to 0 0. And let us take the p be the point on the parabola, then focus of that type of parabola in suppose that point, and the coordinate of this is a minus a0, and the directrix is in that side opposite to its vertex, na, z and dash, and this is the perpendicular from the, okay, and we join this. This is the concept of left hand parabola. And the equation of directrix is equal to what, because of, you know that as is equal to a, suppose k, ak. So the equation of directrix of the left hand parabola y square is equal to minus 4 ax is what, x is equal to plus a. Okay. So this is the concept of left hand parabola. Now in left hand parabola, the vertex is what, vertex, the coordinate of its vertex is what, 0 0. Second important thing is what, coordinate of the focus, coordinate of focus, which is what, minus a 0. Third one is equation of directrix. Okay, equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix of the left hand parabola is what, x is equal to a or x minus a is equal to 0. Second important thing, equation of axis. Dear student, the equation of the axis is this parabola is also formed on x axis, so the equation of axis is y is equal to 0. Okay. And equation of axis as y is equal to 0. Second other one is what, now length of latus rectum. Okay, length of latus rectum, length of latus, the length of latus rectum is also equal to 4a, and the length of focal length is here, the focal length is here, that right hand parabola is a plus x, here a minus x. Okay, and the focal length is equal to a minus x. Okay, so this one, this is the concept of the second type, which is left hand parabola. In that type of parabola, dear friends, the vertex is equal to a 0 0, and the coordinate of the focus of left hand parabola is minus a 0, and the equation of directrix of the parabola is x is equal to a, and the equation of axis is also equal to y is equal to 0, same as the previous, and length of latus rectum is equal to 4a, and the length of focal length of that type of parabola is a minus x. Okay, now dear student, we discuss about the third type of the parabola. Let's see, some we discuss about that also. Let's see, type 3. The equation of the parabola of x square is equal to 4ay. This is known as the upward parabola. Dear friends, this is the upward parabola, and the equation of that type of parabola in this way. Let's see, this is the y o y dash x o x dash, and this is the upward parabola, x square is equal to 4ay, and this is the vertex a of the parabola, which is 0 0. Okay, and dear student, here the focus of that type of parabola is that side, as the coordinate of focus was 0 comma a, and the directrix is what, here in that side, suppose any point p on the parabola xy. Okay, and which here a0, and we join this, and this is the directrix of the upward parabola z dash, and this is the perpendicular, okay, of the that so by the definition of the parabola, ps is equal to pm, that real constant is equal to each other, and here let us take a, here dear student, as is equal to ak. You know that all the concept very well. Dear student, this is the concept of the upward parabola. In that type of parabola, the vertex also is always vertex, the equation of the coordinate of vertex a is always equal to 0 0. Okay, now dear student, and second one important thing, the coordinate of the focus, here coordinate of focus what, sorry, 0a. This x is 0 now, this lie on the xy axis, so 0 into a, the coordinate of the focus of that is 0a, and let's see, this is the a, this is also a, this is, and the equation of directrix, the equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a, because of this is the negative direction of y na, so directrix, equation of directrix is y is equal to minus a. Second one, equation of the axis, here this parabola form on the y axis, so equation of axis as x is equal to 0. Second important thing is what is the length of the latus rectum. In each type of parabola, the length of latus rectum is always remains constant, it is 4a. Length of latus rectum, the length of latus rectum is 4a. Okay, now, and last one is what, the focal distance. Is a plus y, focal length, focal distance here what, a plus y. So therefore in this way, today we discuss the some important terms related to the parabola, and today we discuss the other standard forms of the parabola, that is right hand parabola, left hand parabola, upward parabola. Now dear friends, first you revise all the topic which we discussed in that class. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we also discuss the last type of the parabola, which is downward parabola, and we discuss some important concept related to that. and we take some important question and solve it in next class. Okay, thank you.